This is introduction to Microsoft Excel, or you can call it an electronic spreadsheet. Now, electronic spreadsheet is an automated version of account ledger. People that are accounting students will know what I'm talking about here. They prepare a ledger, but when we want to prepare a ledger, you have your pencil, you have your biro, you have your ruler and the stuff. But with this, we call it an automated version. That is an automatic, okay, an automatic. And Excel is used for nothing than the calculation. If you want to draw now, Microsoft Excel is not the best package for you to use. We have packages that are meant for drawing, that are meant for typing. But in case of Excel, if you want to use Excel, it's for calculation. When you are ready to calculate, you make use of it. And that is why they said it's an automated version of account ledger. It consists of the rows and columns of numeric data. Consists of rows and columns of numeric data. I need to make use of my eyeglasses. Now, it consists of rows and columns of numeric. Unlike the account ledger, which is created on the paper. You know, if you want to create ledger book, you use your paper, you use your pencil, your ruler, and the like. But in this case, electronic spreadsheet is created using your computer system. It's created using a computer system, an electronic spreadsheet application software program on your system. Your knowledge of how to use Windows make Microsoft Excel much easier for you. Meaning that before you can say that I want to learn Microsoft Excel, I want to work in Microsoft Excel successfully. Meaning that you have previous knowledge of how to use Windows generally, how to make use of the Windows environment. The do and don't in Windows environment must have been known a little to you. Advantages of spreadsheets over a ledger book. You know, we said both are using for calculation, but one has advantages over the other one. Okay, now we were talking about the advantages of spreadsheets, which is Microsoft Excel, over the ledger book. We have one calculator function. Meaning that you don't need to carry your calculator all around. Calculator is on the system already. It's just for you to get your formula, then you get started. The calculator is there. So calculator function is among. The second one, easy to modify. Yeah, it's very, very easy to modify. You can modify your work. Let's assume you are making use of ledger book, which you will create on your paper, which will be created on the paper. Okay, you have to need your cleaner and some other things to make correction on it. But on Excel, you can easily, if you notice that, okay, my answer is too much or my answer is too small to what you are expecting, all you need to do is go to your data, change the data. If you want to increase your output, you just go back to your data, changes the data, maybe you will increase it so that your output can also be increased, or your final answer will be increased. But if you discover that my final answer is greater than what I am expecting, you go back to your data, you reduces the input that you calculated, so your output can also be changed. Another point is use of formula. The reason why we were making use of Excel is use of formula. Know the formula you want to use, apply the formula. You just work on your rows and your columns. Add this row to this, minus this row from this, minus this column from this, then your answer is there. All you need to do is to apply your formula and you get the answer straight away. Another point is huge size of data. Huge size of data. Yes, Excel accommodates very large data. It accommodates a very large data, and you will see that this West Africa Examination Council, we have a lot of African countries that are doing this exam yearly. Then imagine, I think before they make use of it, it will accommodate the data of students in this Lagos state, going to another state, going to another state, going to another. I think we have 36 states. Now they are going to combine all this together